What is meant by a perspective and specialized software development model? A perspective software development model is one that continuously gathers information or feedback from users, the environment, or the system itself, and uses that information to adapt and improve the development process or the software product. There are three types of perspective process model. One, waterfall model. Two, incremental process model. Example is the RAT model. Third, evolutionary process model. Example, spiral model. What is meant by waterfall model? The waterfall model is a step by step way of building software. Each step must be finished before moving to the next one, like water flowing down a waterfall. It is like there are several steps in this waterfall model. First step is the requirement gathering and analysis. Second, design. Third, coding. Fourth, testing. And fifth step is maintenance. Let's see the first step requirements gathering and analysis. Understand what the customer needs and expects from the software. All requirements are documented clearly before development begins. The second step is the design. Create system architecture and design based on requirements. Decide how the software will look and function internally. Third phase or third step is coding or implementation. Developers write code based on the design documents. Each module or component is developed and combined. Fourth step or phase is testing. Test the software to find and fix bugs or errors. Ensure the product works as expected and meets requirements. Fifth phase or fifth step is the deployment. Deliver the finished software to the user or client. Set up the software in the real environment for use. The fourth step is testing. Test the software to find and fix bugs or errors. Ensure the product works as expected and meets requirements. Fifth, deployment. Deliver the finished software to the user or client. Set up the software in the real environment for use. The sixth step is maintenance. Fix issues that appear after the software is in use. Make improvements or updates based on user feedback. Let us see the second model, that is the incremental model. The incremental model develops a system through repeated cycles or increments and in smaller portions at a time or increments. In this incremental model, the first step is requirement analysis. Identify the complete set of system requirements. Prioritize features to be developed in different increments. Second step is design. Design this architecture for the entire system. Create detailed designs for the specific increment being developed. Third step is implementation. Develop the increment using chosen programming tools. Focus only on the functionality assigned to that increment. Fourth step is testing. Test the newly developed increment individually. Fifth, integration. Combine the new increment with the existing system. Example is the RAD model. The RAD model or Rapid Application Development Model is a software development approach that focuses on quick development and delivery through iterative prototyping. It emphasizes user involvement and continuous feedback throughout the development process. RAD uses automated tools and reusable components to accelerate development. The model follows phases like business modeling, data modeling, process modeling, application generation, and testing. RAD is ideal for projects with well defined requirements and the need for fast delivery. Evolutionary process models is the next type of model. An evolutionary process model is a software development approach where the system is developed and refined through repeated cycles based on user feedback and evolving requirements. Example is the spiral model. The spiral model is an evolutionary process model focused on iterative development with risk management at every phase. The model allows for early detection of risks and continuous user feedback. Now, let's read what are the regions available in the spiral model. First is the customer communication. Gather initial requirements and understand the customer's objectives and expectations. Second, planning. Define project scope, identify resources, schedule activities, and set milestones for the current spiral. Third, risk analysis. Identify potential risks, analyze their impact, and develop mitigation strategies before proceeding. Fourth, engineering. Design, develop, and test the software increment or prototype in this cycle. The fifth step is construct and release. Build the final product for this cycle and deliver it to the customer for use or review. Sixth, customer evaluation. Collect feedback from the customer to assess performance and guide the next iteration. Next, there's a different type of model. That's a specialized software development model. A specialized software development model provides customized frameworks that address specific challenges in particular software domains, ensuring that the resulting software is reliable, efficient, and compliant with domain needs. Formal methods model, easy explanation is the formal methods model is a way of developing software by using mathematics and logic to write exact specifications of what the software should do. The steps involved in this are first, specification. Write down exactly what the software should do using math or if no coding has yet begun. Second, design. Turn the math based specification into a step by step design. The next step is verification. Use logical proofs to make sure the design is 100% correct before coding. Fourth, implementation. Write the actual program based on the verified design. What are the uses? It prevents errors and bugs early, ensures the system is safe and reliable. What are the limitations in this model? It is hard to learn. It needs math skills, takes more time and effort, not good for small or fast changing projects.